Okay, gang, what do we have here? This is the Bestarc BTC800DP. And we're going to do an unboxing video so that you can figure out what actually comes in the box. I have not opened this box yet at all. It just came to me about an hour ago. I'm very excited about it because I've been wanting / needing a plasma cutter for a while. And finally, I got one. If you are interested in purchasing this, you can find a link in the description of the video below. And here we have it. Very typical of stuff like this. It's a box within a box. Let's see if I can get it out of there. There we go. So it's packaged up very well. Should have no damage whatsoever to the machine inside. Little box right there, that's going to have probably your bits and pieces in it. I love the color. And that's all in that one. I truly do. I'm a very colorful kind of person, I guess you could say. And I really like it whenever something other than the basic average stuff is chosen. This is like 57 Chevy, what do they call it? Tropical blue, I think. Very nice looking unit. Very nice. So far, I'm digging it. So far, that's really cool to me. Yeah. All right. So now, let's see what we got. And short fat box. All right, here we go. There's your grounding strap. Right in place, no problem. I'm wondering what this is for. It's a hose of some sort. But it shouldn't be for your air hose because you just got a straight air hose hookup right here on the back. See? It's where you pipe your air into. Got a nice little, what is that? I can't read it, my old man eyes. I can't tell me how many. It says 4,500 amps on that breaker. That doesn't sound right. Because if you know anything about electrical, that's a lot of amperage. But anyways, let's keep going. I want to see what this air hose is intended for. Maybe it goes inside this. I don't know. Shouldn't. Should already be in there. Yeah, the hose is already in there. So we're golden on that, you know? This is slightly different. Okay, that's hooked right up. This terminal right here, the red goes to red. And then this right here plugs up. All right, so that's all hooked up. I've never seen one have the wheels like that. All I've ever seen was just that right there. But that's pretty nifty. That'll allow you to set your depth of how close you want to be to the metal. I mean, not that I have a huge amount of experience with something like this, but yeah, you can set your depth and just go to town like that. So that's pretty cool, if you ask me. Just go right in it. Huh. Huh. All right. This right here is an adapter because this Bestarc will run on 220 volts or 110 volts, or 110, 120 volts, however you want to say it. So it comes with an adapter, and it comes with a standard plug for your 220 volt running. Now, if you don't know, I mean, stuff like this, yeah, you'll be able to get away with making this work on your regular household outlet. However, it won't be nearly as powerful. If you can at all, use this right here, 220 volts. All right, so I still got to figure out what this stuff is for. Looks like it comes with a couple of different tips that I could switch out if I need to for some reason. Comes with some Teflon tape. This right here, I'm going to try and see real quick why that is even there. I bet you it's some air hose. They want you to run your air with that. Number 3. Yep, air hose. Don't need that. All right, so that's completely unnecessary because my air hose should hook directly into the back of this machine. And if you have an air hose, well, you should have exactly this same type of setup. Yep. Air's coming out of the regulator here because I clearly have too much pressure. Gonna have to plug it in to test that out. All right, guys, so this is just an unboxing video. That's all it is. And I can only tell you with, you know, what I see right now, and that is, I like the color of it. The components seem fine. Nothing seems cheap and flimsy. Next up, we'll plug it in and actually do some cutting with it and see how it cuts. You know, I'll do a few test runs, make sure I get it all set up right, that regulator, get it set up to the right pressure and things, and just go from there. But so far, it seems to be of perfectly fine quality, and we'll test it out and go from there.